All right. Hooah. Let's get started. All right. What's up, everyone? Happy Friday Eve. What a grand day it is. Hey, everybody. Welcome. WordPress game engine development. Day 452. Just guessing. Hey, G-Man VR. What's going on? The G-Man. How you doing? Welcome. What the fuck? Sorry I didn't stream yesterday, but we are in a good spot right now. Because all we got to do now is start working on the minigame. Now, I did want to put a animation or a cutscene or something in between finishing that mission and throwing away the rocket and starting the programming thing, because it's not a lot of context in what you're actually doing. I mean, the intro video tells you that he's a technologist and he's working on wormhole transportation. But from that point where I do the little tutorials and you get to use your characters and stuff like that, to the point where he needs to do the minigame, there's not a lot of explanation. So I'm thinking another cutscene video maybe. When you finish that, maybe. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I just have him have an explainer and it explains, when you get to your desk to work on your programming, I'll have it pop up and say, I should really, finish up my blade device. That might be for the best. So why don't we just do that? And I think this might require... Oh, no. Yeah, because we're blocked. Okay, so I can materialize this after the cutscene too. Can I materialize? Yeah, I can. I can materialize explainers. I do that for the flames. All right. Well, let's jump into the actual admin. So I think then the next thing I should do is add an explainer. Oops. Okay, I'm not logged in. Good for me. All right, now let me in. There we go. Yeah, so let's go to explainers. Let's add a new one. This is going to be finish. I'm going to have a mission too that has like a similar name, so I don't want it to be too similar. This is going to be I should finish. Problem is, in the book, he has a strike, like a lightning strike of inspiration of how to solve this issue he was having in order to finish his transportation device. So that's why I was thinking about having the cutscene where John actually gives him that lightning strike, but it comes from a scene that doesn't exist in the game. Where they go to a distillery. We'll just keep it simple for now. It's fine. I should just, yeah, let him finish his shit. Yeah, because he also doesn't have much interaction with the boss. He has that after he finishes transportation. And I trigger a cutscene when I actually finish the cut. Yeah, that's what I was doing. Alright, that's fine. We'll just do this. I should finish my blade device. Okay. And it's basically, I should probably look this up. How do I do them? I know I have a format for explainers. Boop. It's like, yeah, like this. Let's just copy this. This is actually too long. I need to cut it down. I should probably avoid walking into flames. Okay. Time to finish my blade device. Use the action key. Let's action key to interact with your computer. All right, that should be enough. TBH. And where's that gonna go? It's gonna go here, and I'm probably gonna put it around. I guess I should put it in the doorway. Yeah, somewhere like right here. Let's put the point device. We'll do it. I mean, honestly, I'm probably going to match that, but yeah, we'll just make it when you walk in the doorway. And that is 1857. Oh no, this is the actual pop-up thing. So I need the trigger. Here we go. Trigger is going to go here. 1857. 1337. We'll make it 30. Maybe more. Let's make it like 60. And then the height, let's do like 250. Door size. And that's the trigger. I'm not rotating the trigger. And the layer doesn't matter. Okay. Now for the actual pop-up. Well, first off, this is going to be a... There is no minigame. This is going to be materialize after cutscene. Yes, Bylon meetup. This is going in Thyrus. This is going to be a map explainer. That means it's on the map and not on the HUD. And I think we'll do a bottom left because I'll be walking in from the right. We'll just do a 70-degree rotate for now. I don't have a soundbite, so it's just going to use the Google Text-to-Speech API. And the position for the actual thingy doodad probably be like right here. It's probably something like right above the computer. 1855 999. 1855 999. And we'll do a good old 300 by 500, and we'll see how that works. All right. This should twerk. Pew. Grand. Now this is probably not going to pop up right away. Oh, no, actually it might. Let's see. Yeah, that's still there. Okay, so now this one should show up. Yeah, there we go. Oh no. I really need to make sure these don't show up. Okay, so it's not here. Yeah, time to finish the blade devices right here. Wait, where's the trigger though? That trigger is not showing. Do I not have a previous cutscene area? Yeah, I do. Let me double check I did this right. Hey, Mr. Rat. What's going on, bud? Welcome. Thanks for jumping in. It's on the map. Oh shit, the trigger didn't save. Why did the trigger not save? Oh shoot. I put in the materialize item trigger. I'm an idiot. I have too many fields. Come on. Do I like drippy cheese? What is that from? Why does that sound so familiar? Okay, yeah. This should work now. Drippy cheese. No. I like melty cheese. You do? That's cool. Bye. Can't just by cat. Well, it's a good little segue. Just by cat, run, Mr. Rat. Okay, this should be working now. Let's try again. And it looks like I'm gonna have to save some logic. There we go. Time to finish the blade device. Now 70 is definitely not the right one. I need to persist explainers. Once you do it, you shouldn't get them again. Those are a one-time deal. So I don't know why I don't persist them, but let me double check the code. So explainer triggering logic. Remove menu explainer. Nah. This is different. Here's the trigger. So you hit it, add that. Now, but it doesn't look like I'm persisting. So I should definitely do that. And I should do it here when I remove it. So, I mean, all I need to do is what? Persist item removal, basically. Wait, what's persist items do? It's an array. Oh, it's part of persist item removal, yeah. So, I always get this wrong. So persist item removal should literally just, I should be able to pass it an item and it should add it to the explore ID or the explore variable. And all I need to pass is item. I don't even need to pass type. I don't need amount. Everything else is hard coded. So I should just be able to pass the item name. And it should be good. So let's try that. So the item name will be what? I guess I can get it from the Triggy. Show explain. Yeah, what's Triggy anyways? Triggy is... Oh, here we go. Dataset Triggy. So I'm getting Triggy from the name, so I just needed a clean class name. Got it. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't do it on close. Maybe I should do it on open. Hey, Josh Haltom. Nice. Thank you. Actually, I appreciate that. Any sort of positive affirmation when somebody's building a WordPress game engine is extremely appreciated. Because I usually get either negative comments or confusion. But yeah, nice is good. I like that. Yeah, self-taught. I mean, I've been doing it for 20 years, but I had taught myself throughout the past couple decades. Yeah, I got pigeonholed into WordPress programming like, you know, a little over a decade ago. Worked for Disney for a while, Universal, Warner Brothers, and they all use pretty advanced WordPress stuff. Warner Brothers does not. They use a lot of third-party plugins and themes, but Disney was doing some pretty cool things. Yeah. It was a lot of fun, and yeah, that's just what I've been doing. It's my day job too. I'm a WordPress programmer, so this is just an extension of that. It's a lot more fun than what I do, though, in my day job. Promise. Is developing this plugin and the game. Yeah, we need to do this where I have access to this. Not the ID. Where is it? This. I want this. I want this. So once this gets triggered, we'll do the animation, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, here we go. Persist to avoid showing again on refresh. Persist and removal. Yeah, and that should be it. Everything else is defaulted. We can test this locally. But yeah, if you're interested, this is Escape to Orbem. It's based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, The Harmonian Chronicles. Specifically, the demo for this game is based off of like the first 5 chapters where you're still on Earth. And eventually I'm going to make the game follow the entire series. There's 2 more books coming out. I promise. I started book 3. I have a few chapters, and then I really wanted to finish this demo. Yes. These are the characters from the book and the game. Okay. Follows Graham. He's a technologist. He invents personal wormhole transportation. And then has to use that device to run away to another universe. Hell yeah. Go get some sleep. Appreciate it. Yeah. Stay tuned. Catch you on another stream, my friend. Let's see. Thanks for jumping on. Let's just go to the beginning. And let's see if persistence works. Well, at least if the call comes in. All right, here we go. Oh, there it is. Add explore points. Let's check the payload. Read signs. 0.1. Very cool. Okay, that worked. Now, is it part of the explore point variable? Do that. Do that. Do that. It is. Good. This is good news. Okay, so now that it's part of that variable, let's make sure that it doesn't pop up again. So what's the logic? It's looking at already hit. So I need to add already hit, basically. So let's go to no points. I have like a add no points function. This basically like adds all the persistence logic for anything in that variable. We don't need that. So here's the basically add no point class. Now if, yeah, that's cutscene item. Okay, let's do this then. Const explainer item equals, what's valnum? Why do I care about that? Do I care about that? Oh, if it's a number, whatever, sure. Explainer item, there we go. So we'll do the same thing. Add special class for cutscenes. And this should persist cutscenes. I don't know if I'm persisting cutscenes though. Anyways, add for explainers, and this is if explainer item, and then that's going to be what? Already hit. Nice. Good clipboard. All right, let's see if it works. Let's see what we got. So now that that is persisted, will it show? Oh, show up again if I refresh. It won't. It worked. There's another one. Okay. That one works. Okay. Did that one actually send one too? Oh yeah, look it. Talk to Carol. So that is actually... How come it's not persisting then? Maybe it is. Wait, this one popped up again though. What the fuck? View mission. View mission's in there twice. What the fuck? View mission. Explainer item. Oh wait, did I do this wrong? No, I didn't. View mission. Explainer item. I still don't get what valnum has to do with anything. Hey, the value is a number. Whatever. Let me double check this is working, because that's weird, right? See, it's still coming up. Hold on. What the fuck? What the hell did I just do? God damn it. All right, hold on. Already hit. Okay, so view mission is already hit. So I can't. Oh. I'm adding already hit to the wrong thing. I need to be adding it to the trigger. That is the problem. So I need to be adding it to the view mission explainer trigger map item. My bad. My bad, fam. You like that? Hey, boy with dream. What's going on, bud? Aqua One Love? How did you know about the first one here? I don't know. You know what? It has been a while. Ooh woo. Stupid. Explainer. Trigger. Map item. Wait, it's map item, right? I think I was getting it wrong. No. Yeah. View mission dash. Explainer trigger map item. Okay. Now it'll work. Ooh woo. You found any rewards? That's good, ooh woo. Well, welcome, my friend. Welcome, everyone. All right, let's see if this works now. He's got a new client who wants an ERP. Hey, Alonso, by the way. System for his loan company. You'll build it in WordPress. Should I create a theme or develop a plugin? I think plugins are faster. I mean, a theme is for a whole website. You're gonna get a job? Hell yeah! What are you doing? You survived the interview with the CEO and CPO. That's awesome. Me another song yesterday. They're not like vocal songs, just like make noises. I love that. That's fantastic. Wait, what's an ERP system? Definitely a plugin, not Tommy. Sick. Yeah, like I said, unless you're building a website, you don't need a theme. If you're adding to a website, you could build a plugin, or just build it into the theme of the website. But yeah, I mean, you can't just build a plugin and use it. You need it to be part of a website, obviously. Go. All right, now it's not triggering anymore. Perfect. I wonder if that's the same thing with the cutscenes. No, I think cutscenes are different because of the interaction. You have to like touch the person, so I think that's different. Okay, cool. I think we're good. Wait, what the fuck? I collected my effects. What happened? Why didn't it do the thing? Client. The hell are you talking about, client? CSP code. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's count. What happened? Box of effects. Yeah. Why didn't it finish the mission? That's weird. Hmm. Alright, whatever. It's just local. It's probably screwed up. It's kind of evil, but you write stuff in closure. So I'm happy enough. Closure? What's that? Try to automate recruitment using LLM agents. Boo. Sounds annoying. I hate getting recruited by LLM models. Clojure is a Lisp dialect. Ooh. That's cool. I like that. Give yourself a Lisp when you write. It's very fun. Well, I just wanted to persist that. That's all I wanted to do. That's why I jumped into local, right? So I can push this up. Back to the drawing board. Yeah, it's mostly because I wanted to not hit those things on the way to my thing. You get it. Push, push, we shall push the code. What am I doing? Let's try again. I think that was an old thing I was doing. Perfect. All right, back to production. All right, here we go. Now we're going to hit all of the pop-ups. So that one's persisted now. That one's persisted now. Oh, nice. Okay, so I need to change the rotation. Oh shit, it's being hard-coded. I forgot. Well, that's annoying. Let's do this then. Okay. Let's do why is it not changing? Hmm? Why are you not changing? I don't know. That's weird. I guess we're gonna have to hard code it. What would it be? Usually it's a trial and error thing, so now I don't know what to do. Oh wait, am I on the wrong? Why is this still moving? Well, it's not moving. Uh-oh. Ah. So it don't care none. Okay, fine. Whatever. Oh, did I add rotate to the wrong spot? No, rotation's right here. All right. Well, let's do 100 and see what that looks like. Even though this is now. Oh, I know what I can do. Now that it's persisted, it shouldn't pop up again. Oh, look, everything popped up. Yeah, the code probably hasn't pushed yet. All right, let's get this to pop up again. Eric. Explainer. Wrong one. I need different explainer. I need what did I call it? I already forgot. I should finish. I should finish. Yeah, there we go. Let's add engage. That was not right. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. Nope. Nope. That's the trigger. Where's the actual explainer? That's... Uh-oh. Now I'm confused. This is the trigger. Where's the explainer? There's only two. Uh-oh. Is it because I already triggered it again? Oh yeah, I think I remove it. I shouldn't remove it. I should remove the trigger, not the actual thing. Already hit. Okay, good. The shit is working now. Already hit. Oh, here it is. Got it. All right. Okay. I thought it was engage. Maybe it's... What do I... Is that not how I pop it up? Oh, it went away. What the fuck? It won't let me keep it. You are tricky. Oh, it's opacity. Let's just go opacity 1. Alright, that's fine. Now we can fuck with the rotate at least without it moving around. So I have it at 100. Let's get it at... Yeah, like that. I think that's good. So was that 130? Oh, 127. Uno vente. Siete. Siete. Okay. 127. Alrighty, now it's gonna work. Cool. All right. Let's call it a day on that. And yeah, that one's persisted now. Okay. Mini game. Now, this is where things get interesting. Because I don't know if this logic works anymore. But I need to create a mini game. I need to remember how to create a mini game. And I need to trigger it when you interact with, I guess, this chair. It's supposed to be with the computers, but I can't like access the computers. Wait, is this chair pass through? Yeah. So then I'm really, what am I hitting? I'm hitting, what am I hitting? I guess I'm hitting, is there a wall there? Oh, I think I'm hitting the computers. Okay, well in that case, I can interact with the computers, that's fine. Because I'm not hitting the chairs, I'm hitting the computers. Technically I'm hitting these, yeah, no, I'm hitting the computer. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna try to remember how to do this. We're gonna go to the computer, so Graham's, no, not the computer, it's monitors. Yeah, here we go. And we're gonna attach it to a mini game, I think. I don't remember. This is gonna get confusing because this is a draggable item. It was in the demo as well. And then yeah, I think I just need to attach a mini game to it. And then I should be able to interact and start the mini game from this. But let's go to mini games and see. what configuration I have on here. Because I know I have mini games. I think that's a global thing. So the minigame music. I don't have minigame. Oh yeah, I do. See, I have minigame type right here. And I think I called it programming, if I'm not mistaken. So that's fine. And we're going to call this one program your blade. This is where I'm confused. How did I'm trying to remember. I know I had the pictures of the wires here, and I think I had no, see, it doesn't have a feature image. Oh yeah, it does. And then I had the feature image being the computer chip, the motherboard. And then I think I put I gotta look this up. I don't remember. Trigger mission dependent cutscenes if mission are complete. Dependent cutscenes. So I know this is how I trigger the cutscene after the minigame is complete. So that is going to be a thing, but that's not what I want right now. This is just more extra logic. Okay, for minigames. This is a minigame, and this is specifically for its programming. Engage minigame logic. The item itself is the computer. I'm interacting with it, and then this gets hit. So the minigame item is here. Oof. Start the music if it exists. We have the minigame mission. So that's the mission tied to the minigame, which is fine. If the mission exists, add hit to the trigger. Play the music for the minigame. And then this starts the whole soldering logic, which basically, oh man, I really wish I saved the setup I had for the minigame in my old demo. This is gonna be hard. To recreate, because I do not remember. And honestly, I should remake the way it's implemented, because it's not very user-friendly. I remember having to put a bunch of images in the content, and that just didn't make any sense. So now what I should do is actually have places to add wire images to be soldered. Oh shit. But that's only if it's a programming minigame. Yeah, this is going to get pretty specific. I wonder if I should start building the filter logic and then build this in the theme instead. because that was something that I wanted to start doing for the plugin. Like anything that's super specific to my game, I wanted to build filters to allow me to add that functionality from the theme. That way, it makes it more extensible. Because I just think this programming minigame is going to be very specific for this game. So I don't want to have it in this JavaScript. So it's going to take a while. Depends how I do it. I mean, for the demo, I could just add it, hard code it, you know what I mean? Just get it going. And then figure it out later, which I might do. But that will leave like a part of the game engine that is so specific that, it's not even worth using for other games. Yeah. Because this is like a mini game that I created for the game. This is something that can be used in different ways, like a drag and drop to finish the mini game. And then I have like a binary programming secondary mini game after you finish the first one. Which that one, I could make it so you could like create your own secret code or whatever and not use binary, but yeah. Let's just add it and then we'll make it more user-friendly. How about that? Now I need to figure out how to add it though. So I know we're going to use images, drag and drop, mini game. See, I even have solder points here. I have computer chip, ellipses. Apparently I'm using ellipses. And then I have wires. WordPress game engine. Yes. Eddie, great question. So if you know what WordPress is, you know this is WordPress. Now, if you think of WordPress as just a content management system, which is what a CMS is, you gonna keep me in the corner? Hell yeah. Keep working on your song. Then you need to remember that RPG video games, all they need are content management. Wasting my time? No. Check it out. So I developed a no-code RPG maker for WordPress. Basically, you just use WordPress to create characters, cutscenes, enemies, weapons. Check it out. So if you go to orbem.games, you can play this game right now. This is my WordPress website, right? And if you want to play, you basically go and you can play a full-on RPG video game. So you skip this, you start a new game. I have intro videos. I'll even unmute it so you can hear.
A technologist.
With voiceovers. This is all configurable in WordPress, by the way.
I'm trying to transport matter around the...
And then you have your game. So this is computer game, tutorial pop-ups. You have, focus views to focus on things that have indicators. You have wandering NPCs that you can configure.
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford.
Google text-to-speech for cutscene API.
By Cranston.
You get to choose the voices for every character you want. And again, this is all configured with no code. You just upload the images and say what you want to do with the items. I can interact with plants. There's interactive elements here. You get points for it. And
What was I doing again?
this is all on my WordPress website. So once I release this plugin to the masses, anybody with a WordPress website can build their own RPG video game. And you can get pretty damn creative with it. This is my implementation. It's based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, The Harmonian Chronicles. But I mean, you could do any game really, and you know, I'm still adding more features to it for people. I'm gonna add turn-based fighting. I'm gonna add, you know, 2D side scroller. I mean, you can do a lot with it. Collectibles, breakables, missions, mini games, puzzles, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, definitely not a waste of time, but definitely taking a lot of time. Yeah, I appreciate it, Eddie. You have a good one. You too, Monkey. I always appreciate some comments, negative or otherwise. But yeah, if you're interested to see how it turns out, subscribe. you can get little snapshots every now and then if you want to jump in. Right now I'm working on a mini game. I'm just trying to remember how I programmed it, because I'm pretty sure I added all the images into the content. I added the computer chip background to the feature image. So I'm going to try to add what I can. Let's look up motherboard. I don't remember what I named the image. This is all very long ago when I did this. Oh, maybe it wasn't motherboard. Oh, I think it was computer chip. Computer chip? Is that right? Where did I save that? I think that was even on an old computer. Computer chip. I gotta find that image. Actually, shouldn't it still be in the website? No. That was my local. Son of a bitch. All right, well, let's go digging in the game creatives real quick. Last modified. Yeah, I don't think it's any of this shit. That's an old picture of the rocket. And okay, hold on. Here we go. We got the wires right here. Yes. I am uploading all the wires. Good. We're getting closer. So if the wires are right here, then the computer chip should be too. Yeah, because this is all the old game. I know I finished. Where is it? Wait, where did I just get those wires? Oh, I'm in add creatives. My bad. Where the fuck? Here it is. Okay. Where's the... Oh, minigame programming, AI. That's good to know I have that. Yeah, see, I have the binary sheet. But I don't remember how I did that. Where did I put the binary part? And where the fuck is the computer chip? I don't know. Have the tatami mats. I guess. Oh wait, is this it? Finish blade device? Oh, there it is. Nice. Nailed it. All right. We have the computer chip with the soldering points. Which is, yeah, that's good. And then I need to add all the wires here. And I think I just add the class wire to them, if I'm not forgetting how I did this. Ooh, how do I do that? Block, here we go. A wire? Is that what it's looking for? A wire? Wires. Oh, wait, that's the wrap for all the wires. Okay, okay. And mini game is mini game. Okay, but that's gonna be wrapped there, so I need wires next. Wait. Yeah, here we go. Wires are in a group. Okay, I'm following my old logic. I got this. So let's group this. Group. What the fuck? God damn it. Oh, I need to allow blocks, groups in here. Okay, hold on, I have to do that. Damn it, I'm gonna have to push that code up. Alright, whatever. Let's add all the images first. Apparently I only allowed myself to add images so far. And do I need to add wire class to these? I think I do. Wires. No, I guess not. I'm just adding block image. Okay. That's good. Oops. The only thing I don't remember is how do I add the fucking binary stuff? Because I don't have like a field for the text. I don't remember what I did for that. Alright, anyways, I need to add... I need to go to... No, I think it's in here. Register post type. Actually, I need to go to block support. Here we go, block editor. Where am I disabling? Am I doing it at the plugin level? Okay, here we go. So here we go, minigame. Okay, I need to allow more for minigames. So let's do this. And let's do this. If blah equals explore minigame. At least for now. Let's remove minigame from this. Okay. Yeah, let's mute. Okay, so we're gonna allow paragraph, image, we need group. Yeah, okay. And I think that's it. I don't remember. Let's double check that that works. Minigames. Can I add a group now? I can. Okay, good. Let's push that up because I will need that to continue this minigame build. Yeah, okay. You have been pushed. And let's actually publish this so I don't forget. And we're going to add this to Thyrus. Now, I'm pretty sure I need to attach this to an item. Oh, yeah. I'll go to the item to do that. And I don't think I need to set a... Do you need coordinates for this? Oh, shit. Get minigame HTML. Here we go. Yes, this is so very specific. I even have, oh look, see, I even have the computer chip, getting it from the thumbnail, so that's good. We have minigame built into here. And then the minigame type description. I'm using that. For what? Oh, this must be for the actual shit. Wait, where are the wires coming? Oh, the wires are coming from the content. And then the programming part. This is where I'm adding. Oh yeah, we got a text box to do that. What is the description for? Is that what I'm... Shoot, I don't remember. I'm the worst. Okay, but do I need coordinates though? No, everything's styled. Okay. So I'm just going to publish this. And then we need to go to minigame type now. We'll go to programming. And in the description, looks like I need to add the binary stuff, which I don't remember how I did that. Like, description is not prominent by default. However, some themes may show it. Oh my god, I didn't add any documentation for this. So it looks like I'm adding the entire binary thing. And I think it's an image. Is the binary legend done in styling? So here's the minigame. We have the wires set up, which is a group. Programming subject. Minigame programming. Programming output. Text area. So this is... And then programming output. Is that done? Oh, that's done here. Okay. Text area. So that's all handled here. But for some reason, I styled this image. Input section. Is that something? Yeah, input section's also there. Okay. So that's all hard-coded. Minigame programming, I think, is also part of this. Yes, okay. So it appears this is all styled. Programming subject, is that also in here? Programming subject. I just want to know if I need to add anything. Because I don't see programming subject here. So I don't really actually know what that's for. It's inside the minigame though. That means maybe that's what I add. I don't know. Subject has to be the image. But how do I add that? Because it must be here then. This is getting the code. Yeah. All right. I mean, it's pretty simple code. So maybe I do add the binary. Reference. Maybe. Yeah. I mean, maybe. So this is the legend. But like, where do I write what you're supposed to put? Because how do I even know? Like, enable programming step. So I get the programming output, programming subject. Okay, here we go. So programming subject is what? Is that the wrapper? Text area input. So this is doing the binary shit. But like, where do I have, where's the binary answer? It comes from programming word, which is the subject strong. Okay, so then that means maybe I need to add this in the just finish the code or something. Man, I really wish I memorized how I did this. All right, let's see if the code is pushed. And I can add a group around the wires. Yes, okay. And now these are wires. And I think that's it. I don't know. We're going to find out though. Okay, so let's go to the item now. And let's go to the monitors and add the minigame program your blade. And see if it allows me to interact with it. What the fuck? Oh. Wait, what? Did I start a new game? Oh, I'm an idiot. Ooh, I'm actually an idiot. This is going to take a while. Damn it. I gotta speed run it. That's weird. There's no drag dust for the computers. Uh-oh. Or for the monitors. What happened to the drag dust? I don't know. That's weird. Speed running. Organize your office, you fucking messy bitch. Wait, what the fuck? Yeah, man. What do we got left? Servers and the monitors and the blade device. Unfortunately, I don't see any drag dust for the monitors. So I have to find those. Where are they anyways? Is it because I added the, maybe it's because I added the mini game that it lost its dragability or some shit. Let me see. Monitors. There's the monitor. Here's the drag dust. Where is it? Display none, huh? Show after cutscene? What cutscene? Explore drag dust. Wait, what? There is no show after cutscene. Oh, does that have no point? No, I don't see it. That's weird. There is none. So why is this here? That's confusing. Wait. Not no point. Oh, it is not no point. Wait, what? So, show after cutscene, which is empty, but it's there, and is not no point. Why display none then? That's really confusing. Oh shit. Why is this getting considered that though? That was not a good thing to turn off. Huh. Drag dust map item. I don't know. Drag. Yeah, I don't see anything about this that would cause it to be part of this. I mean, I do, it does make sense, but how come the other ones don't have that? That's really weird. Oh, whatever. Let's just fake it for now, I guess. Alright. Yay. Now, we'll have to figure that out. Yeah, we got a new message. Meeting at Bylon. We got to do that. We know where to get that. Though we don't have a mission yet. So the minigame actually might not show up until we have a mission. Hold on. I think I remember that being part of the logic. Finish your blade device. And this is area Cyrus. Next mission? I don't know. We'll get there when we get there. Trigger item. Yeah. It's a minigame. Do I do that? Do I put you in a minigame? Maybe. Points. We'll give you 200 points. This is a big one. Okay, and let's make this the next mission after dispose of rocket. Let's trigger next mission. Finish your blade device. There we go. Cool. All right, let's refresh. All right, let's go do it. I basically just want to test if the minigame's going to work or not, and then we'll continue our journey probably tomorrow. All right. Genie, I need you. Grab that fire extinguisher with your feet. Yeah, I know. All right. Dr. Negrescu, I need you. I need your slightly faster speed. She's booking it. Hey, Sama. Money calling. Getting them points. We are attempting to get the minigame to work that I have not touched in like a year. So very possible that this functionality just does not work anymore. And I don't even know if I set it up right, but we'll see. Let's dispose of this rocket, why don't we? And if it works, good. Yay. Finish your blade device, here we go. Let's change to Graham, because it takes a smart dude to do this. Time to finish the blade device. Use the action key. Okay. We'll see. Here we go. Nah, nothing. Unfortunately, this does not work. And I don't remember how to make it work. Oh wait, hold on, we have a console. No, it's just for me fucking around. Okay. Okay. Welp. Physics. There's actually binary programming in this and soldering of wires onto a computer chip. But what do we got here? So the actual computer, I just want to see real quick. So we have minigame, it's program your blade. So we have that minigame there. I got to check if the HTML is showing for the minigame. And then we have it's draggable, no point because it's done. And we have, I mean, basically that's all you need is the mini game, right? So let's go to program your blade, which is right here. It has no music. I thought I haven't added the mission to it yet. Oh, maybe that's why. Hold on, let's see if that's why. Real quick. Hacking minigame. No. No, this is just basically finishing your invention. Okay, so let's add the mission. Finish your blade device. Okay, maybe now it'll work. Let's double check. Program your... Okay, so now it has the mission attached. It has the name. It has a computer chip. It has wires. It has minigame programming, which has finisher code, including an image for binary. It has input section. Oh, shit. I don't know. All right, let's see if this does anything. Oh, wow. I did not know that was going to do something. Okay, cool. So the images are obviously sized incorrectly, but let's see if the drag and drop logic still works. It does. Okay. Oh, whoa. It's like getting bigger as I get left and right. Whoa. This is weird. Okay. Not what I was expecting. But definitely something I'm going to have to work out. But that's cool. At least this is all working. So basically what happens is you have to put the wires in the right spot, right? You're soldering wires onto the computer chip. And once that's done, it'll open up the binary programming thing, and you have to translate a line of text into binary. And then once you do that, it triggers a cutscene. This is working a lot more than I thought it would. So awesome. What I would do is spam random pop-ups on my own computer, which you have literally closed them. Regrets, yeah. These wires are completely normal. It's like I'm hiding it. That is really weird. Wait, why do I have like an arrow? Oh shit, what did I do? How did I close it? Oh no, I'm frozen. There's a lot of logic here. That was supposed to keep you from like fucking up. I don't know why it's growing like that. It's kind of like it's interacting with the drag logic from like the wall builder, where I'm like taking the measurements. I don't even know. Yeah, okay. Anyways, that's another day's problem. Hey! Sama. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next one, my friend. Just don't forget that we have more to do. So everybody stay tuned. Let's say hi to everybody. Eddie, thanks so much for jumping on earlier, my friend. Alonzo, always good to see you. Good luck with your plugin or theme. Hopefully you can hit me up in Discord and give me some more info on that, and I'll help you out. Oh, look at That's what I just played. Josh Hull Tom. Thank you so much for the encouraging words, and I'm glad you're subscribed. Hope to see you again soon. Mr. Rat, that was some strange interactions that we had earlier, but thanks so much for the cheese comments. And Sama, always a pleasure, my friend. And obviously, as Sama has suggested, don't forget about flex keys, because if you hear these keys, that's only because I'm doing flex keys. Flex keys help your agility, dexterity with all your fingers. Get them at flexkeys.shop or orbem.shop. Anywhere that Orbem order gear is sold, you can find flex keys. That's orbemorder.com. In fact, 2 hands get 2. Satisfying, energizing, and an amazing thing to do. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for jumping on. Anybody in the future, come say hi in person. Anybody lurking, make a comment, ask a question. I've been a website programmer for 20 years almost, and been working on WordPress for over a decade. And amongst all the other random shit you see on here, I've been doing for a very long time. So I have a lot of things to say. A lot of things to a lot of mistakes I made that I can help you with. So with that, have an amazing Friday, and happy Friday Eve for those who are on different time zones. And I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye. Goodbye.